Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to disassemble and reassemble your KJW M9. First thing you want to do is make sure you have plenty of paper towels, a multi-tool or something with a screwdriver on it, and some way to contain it all. So first of all, clear the mag. Make sure you don't have any BBs in there, and so on. Second of all, this button right here, to get the slide off, you have to, if I can find it, you have to depress this button and then pull this lever, down, okay? And that will obviously take apart the slide. Okay, so now you have the slide in its entirety right here. So first thing you want to do is you're going to get this spring off. So the way to do that is you just pull it straight forward and it's going to pull it out of where it's been. And then you're going to push the barrel forward to get the spring out. The spring is going to be highly wound up and you want to make sure that it doesn't launch off. So once you got the spring out, you'll be able to take the barrel out. Right there, and here we have the barrel. Okay, when you're lubing your gun up, you want to take the outer barrel off and get into the inner barrel, but I'm not going to do that. And you want to lubricate around here. And after you're done lubricating, I use silicone oil, so you're going to want to take a paper towel and get around that. So second thing, to get these pistol grips off, you're going to want to get your screwdriver. Open this up. And then take this here. And these two screws on both sides. Like I said, I have something to contain both of them here. So once you get both of these off, you're going to be able to take the entire pistol grip off. Okay. Those on that side. Now we're going to work on this side. So this is just a standard field strip when you need to lubricate your gun. Okay, so now that I have all the screws out, you can push the pistol grip from the inside to loosen it, and right here is where it attaches to the other side. Be gentle with it. So now you have the pistol grips here and here. And right here you have the magazine release. Now it's very important that you don't lose this spring in here. I've seen people in videos just disassembling them and spring pops right out and they can't find it again. So now that we have the gun fully disassembled, at least field strip wise, I'm going to put it back together. So we're going to go in here, put this mag release back in. Takes a little bit of time. There's a little guide for the spring. Okay, there we go. And then we're going to take the pistol grips, and mag release came out. Give me a second. It's a little frustrating, but with many other things on this pistol, as far as taking it apart, you do have to kind of fumble with it. Sorry, guys. It's all about getting that spring to line up with that piece of plastic in there and kind of fall into that notch. It's odd and okay, I got it. So I'm gonna try to hold it and put these both in place so it won't pull apart. Okay. And the way to get these back on, you have these little connectors right in there, and you want to squeeze them tight, and then you can put the screw in. Okay, so we have our screws over here. When I said earlier it's good to have something to contain it all, it's very true, because you know you're dealing with a lot of springs and tiny pieces, and if you lose one of them, it's really going to ruin your day and your gun. Okay, so we're going to tighten that. We're going to get the next one. Okay. And as much as I love this pistol, it needs to be taken in for maintenance at least once every year. I'm not saying that that's the case with every pistol, but especially with gas blowbacks, you're going to have problems. You're going to have dirt building up, and that's why it's important to lube it up and clean it. And if you're just going to use it without doing the maintenance yourself or the lubing yourself, just take it into your local shop. I'm pretty sure they'd be happy to help you. Obviously for a price. That's with any shop though. Okay, so now we have the whole pistol grip ready and set up. So now we're going to move on to the slide. Now this is one of the parts where you're going to have to fiddle around, like I was saying earlier. So you're going to want to wipe off your hands first with a paper towel. So what we're going to do is, if you see right here, the first time I took it apart, I had no idea what this was or where it went. You have this right here, and what you want to do with it is there's a little notch, a little square notch in there, and that's where it's all going to line up, and that's how you're going to get your spring. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to slide both the spring in, and you want to slide the barrel forward so it has plenty of space to move in there. Like I said, a lot of fumbling with this. Okay, so spring's wound really tight right now. So then we have it in its notch. Okay, so now you have the whole slide assembled again. Okay, to get the whole pistol back together, you're going to slide it along this guiding rail here, and you're going to slide it back and then push that up. It should lock, and now you have it fully assembled.